metabolism slows when filtration is impaired, what would happen if we focused less on restriction and more on clearing the system first? So, dieting without addressing your filtration system, your liver, your gut, and kidneys is like turning down the faucet while ignoring the clog. So your body only burns fat freely when it feels safe, balanced, and clear. When inflammatory waste is high, the metabolism slows down, and that's why people can eat less, exercise more, but still feel stuck. The issue isn't effort, it's your physiology. So true metabolic repair requires supporting your gut clearance, improving your liver detox pathways, optimizing your kidney filtration, and moving your lymphatic fluid. And when the filtration improves, you will see that inflammation is less, you will have less joint pains, your hormones will work better, you will have more insulin sensitivity and fat loss. So if the metabolism slows when filtration is impaired, what would happen if we focused less on restriction and more on clearing the system first?